In personal transformation, no two cases are identical. However, as in all creations, there are steps, ingredients that must be present. And in this video, I will share with you the recipe and the ingredients to become a businesswoman, very successful, and better yet, being happy and enjoying the process. Maybe you are one of those people like me who loves to eat well and of course enjoy cooking from time to time your favorite dishes. In any case, you should know that cooking is an art, but also it has a lot of methodology behind it and prescriptions, that is, instructions, steps or recipes that somehow facilitates the cook or chef is his work and also allows a high quality result, delicious results. Well, happy present moment and welcome to Jeanette Salvatierra TV. I am your hostess, Jeanette Salvatierra. And speaking about cooking, don't worry, this isn't the Food Network channel. You are in the right place. I just use the cooking analogy to create a recipe to become a successful businesswoman. And why is this important? The first reason is because if you already have a couple of years as an entrepreneur and your business has grown, well, congratulations. You have already reached a very or super important milestone in your business life, because in most cases, after 18 or 24 months, a business stabilizes and it starts to produce real profits. In that moment, this is much important. The passing from that kind of childhood to the puberty of your business, that you will feel probably more comfortable dealing with your business, but probably other needs will reinforce themselves or will appear, that translates in the need of new skills that you must develop or locate in the market to take your business to the next level of growth. Before entering fully in the skills or ingredients of this recipe, I want to invite you, if you haven't done it yet, to subscribe to this channel. Activate notifications by clicking on the little bell, and communicate, share, and comment. Communicate if you like this video, giving us a thumbs up. Share with other people in your network of contacts that can benefit from this content, and comment. Leave your questions, your opinions, or requests for more information in the comment section below this video. Help me achieve my vision or mission to positively impact more people with my message and my services. Regarding the recipe and the ingredients to become a successful businesswoman, the very important first ingredient is growing as a human being through self-knowledge or self-discovery about your strength and also about your areas for improvement, with self-care for your physical, mental, and spiritual health, and in general attending to your whole well-being in terms of your relationships with other peoples and the development of your life mission or legacy. The second ingredient of this recipe is called the entrepreneurial mindset, or your beliefs and behaviors as a CEO. We talk about this in another video on this channel that I invite you to look and see. This ingredient is always there in everything you do in your business. It's like salt, a basic condiment that you cannot miss, and is should be used in a fair measure, not too much, not too few, too little, because too much can ruin your dish. This CEO mentality is what will allow you to be aware of everything without getting lost in the details. Know what is done in your business, when and why, and keep a strategic look in the market, in the future of your business, to decide about the changes that the company should make to continue growing and taking advantage of market opportunities, as well as modify the operations if the circumstances are threatening your business. The third ingredient is your knowledge about the functional areas of your business: marketing, sales, finance, human talent, operations, manufacturing, distribution, etc. In the startup phase or entrepreneurial phase, you as the owner, founder, and president of your business maybe did a little bit of everything, supporting you very punctually with some higher staff, some freelance people, etc. Now it's probably time to start delegating, to start building a team. But of course you have to keep updated in the knowledge of the area to be able to decide correctly about what is going to be done or not, how, when, and who is going to be in charge of the task. As for each area, you can even, based on your personal taste and previous abilities, go more deeply, or simply skip it at all and delegate it 100%. Remember that you can always count with external support services as consultants, mentors, and also you can hire professional staff to take care of specific areas in your business. I want to mention something very important. They need to use an additional extra ingredient: information and communication technology knowledge. Computers, application software, internet. This combination is the basic tool, especially nowadays, to implement processes, marketing, sales, operations, etc. Other additional ingredients, kind of spices or condiments, but no less important, are: one, emotional regulation skills, to handle both your own emotions and those of the people that work with you. Number two, the ability to lead through inspiration, the modeling of desirable behaviors aligned with the company values and with the results or impact that we want to achieve with our businesses. And number three, your ability to communicate and relate, create support networks, operation networks outside the company with potential clients, partners, investors, government entities, unions, and the general public. These ingredients is essential in the process of representation of the company, in marketing, in sales, but most importantly in customer relationships, because you're never are going to be able to delegate 100% this process, especially nowadays, because customers or consumers expect from brands and companies that personal, that human touch that only you as owner and creator can provide. That is why I insist that you prepare yourself to make an impact with your voice, your message, your presence, both in person and, of course, in media and social media. Now, the procedure or the recipe, the steps and combination of the ingredients. This recipe is always defined in your business plan. That plan that I have already told you about before, and that can be translated into processes in the way the things are done in your company, and we will say in a daily basis, and that you enter as a CEO with the help of your employees, your contractors, consultants, and mentors you hire to support you, will lead and will become a reality. Remember two very important things regarding the business plan. The first, it must be flexible. You must be able to change it and adapt it to the circumstances and the time that the company is going through. The second thing is that the business plan is a living document. It is created, the processes are implemented, and the results are reviewed and compared with the expectations that we documented in the plan, at least twice a year. The ideal is to do it quarterly, or better yet, every time you have to bring an important decision that may require changes on your business plan. So now you have it, my recipe and the ingredients to be a successful businesswoman. If you want to deepen on the subject and explore how to apply this recipe in your case, contact me. I offer you an explorative conversation, 20 minutes, totally free. I'm still accepting some individual mentoring clients, and you can be one of them. You can be pleasantly surprised to learn how you can achieve in terms of result, and how much you can simplify and shorten the process to achieve your goals as a businesswoman. For now, this is all, my friend. Thank you for watching. Blessings for you and your business, and we'll meet again very soon in an upcoming episode of Jeanette Salvatierra TV.